pickup to take a look at it. Unique Specialty and Classics, 1954 GMC 150. 5-window pickup. I would put this in the running, driving kind of project category. We have had it running and driving around our building here, frontage road, parking lot. But may need a little attention as far as the brakes. I believe were one of the things the technicians mentioned. Does have some seepage, which you'd expect out of a truck of this age. It's not been fully restored. Now I'm going to check out the still picture so you can see the engine bay, the undersides, the interior, and around this truck. You can see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number to call us, 507-386-1726. Inline 6-cylinder is the power plant to this one. That is paired up with a manual transmission. And we'll slip around there to the driver's side. Check out the interior and start it up here for you too in just a second. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Comes with some spare tires and rims in the rear of it. An idea of the bed. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. So you got the side mounted spare holder over here. And again, the 5-window, of course, popular body style. Redo. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Got the key switch here. Pushing the floor. Try again. There we go. The oil pressure gauge moved. Don't know about the other ones. Blue cloth bench seat. All right, I'm going to pause this a second, at least give you a look at the engine bay here, and we'll check out that inline 6.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you get a look at the engine bay. Looking pretty stock underneath there. One barrel carb, of course. See the GMC valve cover. Kind of cool. '54 GMC 150 5-window pickup. That inline 6 still underneath the hood. Manual transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to get you right there. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call